fruit market. First floor. Oh man, I love this country, man. I love this country. Cześć, dzień dobry. Hope you're doing great today. It is a beautiful day here. Actually, no. I really hope you're doing good today. I've been talking to a lot of you guys via Instagram, on emails. I've been getting so many emails from you all in Poland, and so many emails from you all in Bulgaria. You guys have been reaching out to me so much. I'm trying to get back to you guys the best I can, but I just want to say thank you. I'm gonna do probably YouTube live and an Instagram live. That way, if you guys are around here, you can at least catch up, and I can try to answer your questions faster on there. But just want to say thank you guys so much. Here in Poznan, Poland, a really amazing place, and I'm excited that I'm gonna be staying here for a while. I was gonna stay here a little bit less time, but after being here, I'm like, no, I think I'm gonna stay here for a while. This city is really nice, seriously. And by the way, I found this really cool place. This place right here. It's like cereals and stuff, but it looks like everything's like American here. So it's like all the cereals from America. And they have like a SpongeBob bed inside. Maybe I go inside real quick. What is this place actually?
You can eat cereal here.
Cereal with milk and everything. Okay. And what time do you open every day?
9 to 6.
Oh my gosh, that place is like sick. Basically, it's like a cereal bar. So they have it here in Europe. I've seen it in a couple places. They had it in some of the cities I've lived in before, but only here in Europe. I've never seen it in America. I think cereal is just so easily to access. But basically what you do is you go in there, you can order bowls of cereal with milk. So you get a small bowl, medium bowl, large bowl of cereal, but they have all American cereals. So they have Reese's, they have Apple Jacks, they have Lucky Charms. You know, here in Europe, they don't really have that many cereals that we have in America. They have Golden Grams, Frosted Flakes, Cheerios, and that's maybe Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but there they got everything. Really cool. I'm gonna save it, not today. I'm not gonna head there today. I'm actually on my way to... One thing I was telling you guys about Poznan, one thing that I really enjoy is there are so many parks. Like I don't know the last time I saw a city that had so many parks in just such close places. Like, look at this park. This park is like dead in the center of the city, but it's just like here. And if I walk 2 minutes, there's gonna be another park. Walk 2 minutes, there's another park where you can chill. And I like places, I like cities where you have fun, you have crazy, but at the same time you have chill. And Poznan for me checks off both of those very easily. But now off to the... Weird, I can't find the fruit market. Hey, zapraszam. The fruit market? Inside the building. Oh, thank you. Okay, so apparently the fruit market is inside. Huh. Interesting. I thought the fruit market would be outside, but okay, fruit market is inside this building right up here. Poznan is beautiful. And oh, by the way, like I say, that one park was just over there 2 minutes. Literally, this is another park right here with an amazing view. Like, so you guys can, you kind of get the rhythm and you get the hang of how it is here. But now heading into this building for the fruit market. First floor. Oh man, I love this country, man. I love this country. And here's a good sign. Gonna get some strawberries on the way out for sure. Okay, see, I'm in here. I don't see the fruit market. Maybe the person who I asked, they were thinking of like a supermarket. So maybe I go to the supermarket, get something else, and get the rest of the food. Yeah, I think she was talking about... Dzień dobry. Class cherries. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's for breakfast, so just a bit. I eat too much pierogi, you know, so I need fruit. Do widzenia. And thank you for speaking English. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yes, you too. Have a nice day. Okay, so right now, got fruit. Didn't find the fruit market, still successful, have fruit. I think I'm just gonna head to a park here in Poznan. It's such a beautiful place, like, wow. You know, it's funny because when you're traveling, you feel like, you know, it's going to the top of Eiffel Tower, it's hiking the highest mountains, you know, you think that's the thing that really makes you just like, yeah, that's the most amazing thing. But at the end, it's always like the simple things. It's like getting some fruit from a market or going somewhere and just going to a park and just sitting down and chilling. And you're like, wow, I thought I had to do all this kind of stuff to have a fun time and have a great time, but it really is just, it always comes back to the simple things. Oh my gosh, so I'm eating this fruit, the cherries, the strawberries. And maybe I'm wrong, but in my opinion, it just seems that like everything is just better. Everything's just a little bit better here in Poland. Definitely approve that little stand outside of that place over there. Please go check it out. You will not regret it. Okay, so it is like 3 or 4 hours later. I had to get some work done, business calls, a lot of stuff I had to get done and finished and at least worked on a little bit. But one question I can answer, because I'm on my way to do the last thing that had to be done today. One kind of question, oh, this would be perfect B-roll. No, but one little question I get asked all the time from people, I've answered it before in the vlogs, but I'll answer it again because I'm on my way to do that right now, is a lot of people ask, how do I stay fit when traveling? And other than walking 25, 30, 35,000 steps a day, what you can do when you're traveling is, you know, all the gym memberships in every city, normally the first time you go is free. So basically when you're traveling and you're in a different city, you're changing cities a lot, what you do is, let's say I'm here in Poznan for a week. What I do is I go to one gym, I would say, hey, do you guys have, how does your membership, how's all that work out? Sometimes they'll say the first session is free, or the first 3 sessions are free. You go there, you do all the paperwork, you go for that one session, and then after you finish that one session, you've got your workout in, you didn't pay for it at all. Then you go to another gym and you do the same thing. And you can do that if you're in a city, a big city, Warsaw, here in Poznan, other big cities. You do that 5 or 6 times, you go to 5 or 6 different gyms, that gives you at least 7 or 8 workouts, and I doubt a lot of people traveling will do that many. So one little hack that I use when I'm traveling to kind of stay fit, and thought I'd let you guys know that as I kind of check out one more place. Yeah, on that note, we're just going to, yeah. So right now I've been walking for maybe about 10-15 minutes, getting a little bit better view of how the city is, and I'm realizing there are so many parks here. And I don't know if I said it in the vlog. I know I thought it in the vlog. I'm not sure if I filmed it and I put it in the vlog, but I was saying that one thing I felt coming from Warsaw to here in Poznan is that it's easier to breathe here. And I realized it's because there's just so many parks. There's like parks everywhere. It's like such a green city. Like, it is I don't know, everyone's been telling me there's so much nature in Poland. Poland's so green, but I've been in such places. I've been in Krakow, I've been in Warsaw, I've been to Warsaw, so many different places where it's green, but there's a lot of big buildings, there's a lot of things going on. But here in Poznan, it's like really green, a lot of space. Like they haven't just built up huge buildings here, which is like almost like peaceful. Like I'm in the park, a beautiful park right here, and there's like nobody. It's quiet and everything. So it's just like, I find it's just, I really like Poznan. And another thing you guys can do if you don't feel like going to an actual gym is what I just am running into right now. This whole place is just kind of here in this park, random park, quiet. Finally there's like a dog and a person. Other than that, there was like nobody here. But like, this is one thing where I say, like, because I'm basically trying to walk around, explore the city. And also I was hoping that I'd be able to find the river. But it's kind of one of those reasons why I think it's so cool to kind of get lost, why I don't like using Google Maps too much, because I find that sometimes being lost and wandering around. I met someone yesterday from Gdynia who we spent some time together, and we were talking about that, how I found most of the things I've discovered, most of the people I've met them when I was lost. Not sure if you want to take that as the quote of the day. Not sure if you want to take that as a quote of the day, but that seems to be like pretty interesting. And most of them, I just met them because I was lost, and not that it was a bad loss. I just was trying to figure out my way, and I just said I'd try doing it a different way. And now I've just been lost, and sometimes you realize it's a perfect lesson to show you that it really is so much about the journey, not the destination. Just one more thing, just for you guys who are trying to be safe and everything, there's like a camera right up there, so you don't even have to worry about anything when you're walking through the park late at night. Because I remember I've read in the comments, I said something, I can't remember where I was at, it might have been when I was in Bulgaria walking down the streets. I said that it felt amazing kind of just walking around in the night, and it felt safe. And a lot of people in the comments were like, what about us who are women? What about us who can't handle it, who are older? And this is a place where instead of just letting you guys know when a place is like approved and wheelchair approved and skateboard approved, I'll let you know that it's approved for anybody, meaning that it's safe. It is safety approved, which definitely is, I would say, about the city of Poznan from what I've seen so far. Remember, like earlier today, I was trying to look for that fruit market or a fruit market. I just found a fruit market. Oh wait, actually I know exactly where I am now. Okay, Poznan, I understand. Okay, I understand. This is the park that I was at today, actually. Oh my gosh, I feel like an idiot. See, if I wasn't authentic, I would just cut that entire part out of the vlog. But, okay, so the park is here. The cereal bar from this morning is over there. Where I brought the fruit was up there. And the market that I just found is right there. Okay. Okay, so I was gonna go to this place I looked up, this like a vegan burger place, but ran into a pierogi place and I realized it's been like 4 days in Poland. Haven't had any pierogi, so Okay, and actually right now calling an audible. I was sitting there and it was a little bit hot, and I had these pierogies and they're really good. And I was like, what am I doing? There's a park right here. There's fresh air. It's a beautiful day. Change of location, not food, location. It's so funny as I'm arriving to this place, it's like I've had my breakfast and I've had my dinner, or mini pre-dinner, in the same park. Much better. Oh my goodness, that pierogi was so good. I'm not sure if the pierogi was just perfect or I just haven't had pierogi in like a month or two. And just finished up a great Instagram live session with you guys, and once again just being reminded of how amazing it is to have you guys here, regardless of you guys who have been here since the very beginning, who've joined along the way, or you guys who joined yesterday, or if this is your very first video. Just want to say thank you guys so much, because it's really all about you guys. It's so much about you guys that it's such a humbling feeling every time I go on Instagram live or something like that, which I will do a YouTube live as well coming up soon. Oh my gosh, so many bugs in this park. Let me hurry and finish the vlog before I get ate up. But no, it's just such a humbling feeling. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your support. I felt like I was going to rush around and try and do a lot more today and all that kind of stuff, but you know, this place just feels so great and chill and such a relaxed atmosphere here. And as crazy as it sounds, it doesn't sound crazy at all. I really enjoy being here in Poland, but seeing new places in Poland is like weird, because I feel like I've been to so many places in Poland and I know it, and every time I'm going to a new place, a new city, and meeting new people, I'm just reminded of how amazing it is to be here, and how great it is to bring you guys along, you know, taking you guys along and sharing the journey and inspiring you guys and having you guys inspire me back is really makes it everything worth it. And just want to say a big thank you to you guys from here. I'm not even sure the name of this park, but from here in Poznan, Poland. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Not sure what to do tomorrow. I feel like tomorrow's gonna be an interesting day. I need to do some more exploring here, but I feel like I found enough to last me for a long time just chilling out here. But on that note, guys, I'm rambling on too much. I'm tired, need a nap. But I want to thank you guys again so much for watching. Everyone have a great day. The Polish people out there that I've been talking to so much lately, oh my goodness, thank you so much. Dziękuję, dziękuję, everyone. I'll talk to you guys all later, and everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.